In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your WordPress blog completely private. Whether you're looking to share your content with a select group of people, protect sensitive information, or simply keep your blog under wraps while you work on it, WordPress makes it easy to control who can see your posts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust the privacy settings for any blog post quickly and securely, no matter your level of experience. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in. First, open your internet browser and head over to the WordPress website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the homepage and click on the Login option. This will bring you to the Login page where you can access your account. To make things faster and more secure, I recommend choosing the Continue with Google option, which allows you to log in using your existing Google credentials. This way, you don't have to remember another username and password. It's all handled through your Google account. Next, you'll see a list of Google accounts currently signed in on your device. From here, select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress blog. If you have multiple accounts, just be sure to pick the one associated with your blog content. If you're unsure which one it is, take a moment to double-check before continuing. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel where you can manage all aspects of your blog. From here, navigate to the Posts section. You'll find this in the menu on the left-hand side. Clicking on it will bring up a list of all your blog posts, including both published and draft content. Now, locate the specific blog post that you want to make private. Once you've found it, hover over the post title, and you'll see a few options appear beneath it. Click on Quick Edit. This feature is great because it lets you make simple, fast changes without having to load the full editing screen. In the Quick Edit mode, you'll see several settings for the post. Look for the privacy options. Here, you can decide how you'd like to restrict access to your post. You have a couple of choices. If you want to make the post accessible only to visitors who know a specific password, you can choose the password protected option. Once selected, you'll be prompted to enter the password of your choice. This is ideal if you want to share the post with a specific group of people without making it fully public. Alternatively, you can select the private option. When you check this box, the post will become completely invisible to the public. Only you and any other authorized users who are logged into your WordPress account will be able to see it. This is a great choice if the content is for your eyes only or part of a work in progress. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the option that best suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click the Update button to save your changes. This step is essential because it ensures that the new privacy settings take effect immediately. And that's it. You've just learned how to adjust the privacy settings for your WordPress blog posts, giving you full control over who gets to see your content. Whether you chose password protection or made the post fully private, you now have the tools to secure your blog in a way that works best for you. If you have any questions or tips about managing privacy on WordPress, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.